Hello, English learners! Welcome back to our Learn English Audiobook channel. I'm Jenna, and today we have something very special for you. Christmas is coming, and you're going to learn how to wish people a Merry Christmas in English. Today, you'll learn 30 Christmas greetings and wishes that you can use with your friends, family, and coworkers. These are real phrases that native English speakers use during the Christmas season. And here's the best part. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident saying Merry Christmas and so much more. You'll be ready to spread Christmas joy in English. So, grab something warm to drink, get comfortable, and make sure you can speak out loud. We're going to practice together using the shadowing method. That means you'll repeat everything I say, just like being my shadow. Are you ready? Let's make this Christmas special. Let's begin. Music. Bell. Let's start with the most basic Christmas greetings. These are short, simple, and perfect for beginners. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Remember, speak out loud. Sentence 1. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Sentence 2. Happy Holidays. Happy Holidays. Happy Holiday. Sentence 3. Season's Greetings. Season's Greetings. You're doing great. Keep going. Sentence 4. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Sentence 5. Wishing you a wonderful Christmas. Wishing you a wonderful Christmas. Sentence 6. Have a blessed Christmas. Have a blessed Christmas. Excellent! Your pronunciation is getting better. Sentence 7. May your Christmas be merry and bright. May your Christmas be merry and bright. Sentence 8. Sending you lots of love and warm hugs this Christmas. Sending you lots of love and warm hugs this Christmas. Sentence 19. I wish you a Christmas full of beautiful memories. I wish you a Christmas full of beautiful memories. Sentence 20. May all your Christmas dreams and wishes come true. May all your Christmas dreams and wishes come true. Amazing work! Set 2 finished. You're becoming more confident with every sentence. Music. Let's move to set 3. This final set is very special. These are heartfelt Christmas messages that come from the heart. Speak them with feeling and confidence. These are messages you can really use. Sentence 21. Christmas is a time to celebrate love, family, and friendship. Christmas is a time to celebrate love, family, and friendship. Sentence 22. May the spirit of Christmas bring you hope and new beginnings. May the spirit of Christmas bring you hope and new beginnings. Sentence 23. Wishing you a Christmas filled with God's blessings and grace. Wishing you a Christmas filled with God's blessings and grace. Feel the warmth in these words. Sentence 24. May this Christmas season remind you of all the good in your life. May this Christmas season remind you of all the good in your life. Sentence 25. I'm grateful for your friendship and wish you a beautiful Christmas. I'm grateful for your friendship and wish you a beautiful Christmas. Sentence 26. May your heart be light and your Christmas be merry. May your heart be light and your Christmas be merry. Excellent! You're speaking beautifully. Sentence 27. Wishing you success, health, and happiness in the coming year. Wishing you success, health, and happiness in the coming year. Sentence 28. May the joy of Christmas stay with you throughout the year. May the joy of Christmas stay with you throughout the year. Sentence 29. Thank you for being part of my life. Merry Christmas to you. Thank you for being part of my life. Merry Christmas to you. Sentence 30. May this Christmas bring you closer to your dreams and goals. May this Christmas bring you closer to your dreams and goals. Wow! Look what you just accomplished. You just learned and practiced 30 Christmas greetings and wishes in English. You should feel so proud of yourself right now. Think about this. You can now wish people Merry Christmas in so many different ways. You can send Christmas messages to your English-speaking friends. You can write beautiful Christmas cards. You can greet people during the holiday season with confidence. Remember these important words: Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Season's Greetings, Peace and Joy, Love and Happiness. These are the phrases you'll hear everywhere during Christmas time. Here's my Christmas wish for you. I hope you continue learning English with passion and joy. I hope you keep practicing every single day. And I hope you feel confident speaking English this Christmas season. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. Share this video with other English learners who want to celebrate Christmas in English. Practice these greetings with your friends and family. Use them in your Christmas messages. Speak them out loud with confidence. Merry Christmas, English learners! Thank you for learning with me today. You're amazing, and I'm so proud of your progress. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, every word you speak makes you stronger. See you in the next lesson. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas!